I attended today's Politburo sitting as usual, as a man of conscience, not as a creature of convenience. Let me speak plainly, as soldiers do. Sanabila mashukubdai togopanapa na retired Lieutenant General Winston Sigauke Mapranga pamusoro Politburo meeting yawakaatenda yesterday. Everybody subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chiri fair from his post. Umdamyuga Mkinzi. Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. This instrument, dressed in the language of national necessity, I reject it. I sat in that chamber, I heard the arguments, and when the moment demanded that I stand on the side of the people and the Constitution, I did not flinch. This bill, in its present form and intent, is not a democratic exercise. It is a constitutional manipulation designed to serve the ambitions of a few at the expense of the many. I took an oath to defend this nation, not a political faction, not a personal agenda, not a timeline invented to extend the tenure of any single man, however powerful. What I find most troubling is not the bill itself. It is the silence of those who know better and say nothing. That silence, comrades, is a form of betrayal. Now to those who insist this amendment is the will of the people, I issue a straightforward challenge. Prove it. Go to the people. Call a referendum. Let the citizens of Zimbabwe, the farmer in Uzumba, the vendor in Bari, the teacher in Gwanda, the order in Lupane, let them speak. Not delegates, not district coordinators with envelopes. The people. If Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 truly carries the democratic mandate, its proponents claim, they should have no fear of a referendum. The only people who fear the people's voice are those who already know what the people will say. I am a retired soldier. I have no seat to protect, no ministry to lose, no patronage to guard. What I have is my name, my record, and my conscience. And on those foundations, I say this without hesitation. No to bill number 3. Yes to a referendum. Let the people decide. Zimbabwe belongs to Zimbabweans, not to a committee, not to a faction, and not to a calendar. Retired General Winston Sigauke Mapranga, former senior officer, Zimbabwe National Army. Toma developments in Mashokotagwa na Mapranga soon after the Politburo sitting. Pana comment section medu board za mafugro emo tulipa msoro pe tsamba ya ganyora mwana Zimbabwe. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon.